What if I tell you na there's a hassle-free way of knowing every standard and legal process of owning a property in the Philippines kahit abroad ka? Every first-time homebuyer's dilemma. Hidden fees. OFW ka na nag-iisip tungkol sa closing fees? Maraming OFW ang na-stuck sa miscellaneous or hidden fees pagdating ng turnover. I get it. Ganyan talaga kapag hindi mo naiintindihan ng buong proseso or hindi na-explain sa'yo ng ahente mo. But here's the thing. Closing fees are standard fees. Kapag bibili ka ng properties, may legal taxes and fees na kailangan bayaran. And expected talaga to. With RLC Residences, fixed and standard ang closing fees for condominiums, 6% only. Lahat ng legal taxes and fees already included. We handle everything mula sa reservation hanggang sa title transfer. Pag ready na yung CCT, we notify you agad. Other developers, medyo tricky. Some charge 10 to 12%, including na yung processing fees and iba pang charges. Kaya some of the OFWs call it miscellaneous fees or hidden fees. Kaya kung first time home buyer ka at hindi na-explain sa'yo to, kabahan ka na. What if I tell you na there's a hassle-free way of knowing every standard and legal process of owning a property in the Philippines kahit abroad ka? Yung di ka matutulad sa friend mong nag-invest sa low monthly, tapos na-scam, tapos naging mega, and then every time you talk about property investment, puro negativity lang yung nakukuha mo. O di kaya yung tita mong nega sa property investment kasi yung kumari daw niya na-scam. Pero siya wala namang property. Nakikisabay lang sa experience ni kumari. At least concerned siya, di ba? For my Clarity clients, hindi mo kailangan ma-stress sa legalities. May PDF guide kang pwedeng balikan anytime, step-by-step legal process, fees, everything explained. Parang cheat sheet and solid guide I personally created for OFWs like you. At the end of the day, hindi lang unit or amenities ang dapat mong malaman at makita. Mas masarap mag-invest kapag naiintindihan mo fully yung process at alam mo yung expectations. Kaya kung gusto mo mag-invest wisely and hassle-free, click the link below to learn more about my Clarity Call, and I'll see you inside.